The cafe was loud that Saturday morning, espresso machines hissing, laughter echoing, and the clatter of cups filling the air. No one noticed the two little boys standing near the counter, clutching each other's hands, their wide blue eyes scanning the crowd in silent confusion. They were identical twins, around 8 years old, with sandy blonde hair and matching denim jackets that read, "We are one." But what stood out wasn't their clothes, it was their silence. The world moved around them, fast and indifferent. The barista called out names, people brushed past them, and not a single person stopped to notice that the boys were trying desperately to communicate, hands moving in small, frantic gestures that nobody seemed to understand. At a corner table sat 4 men, leather vests, beards, tattoos, and heavy boots that spoke of long roads and rough lives. They were members of the Iron Wind Riders, a biker club known more for charity rides than trouble these days. One of them, Jack "Bear" Carson, noticed the boys first. "Those two, they okay?" he asked, nodding toward the twins. The others turned to look. The kids were now pointing toward the door, lips moving without sound. People kept ignoring them. Then, suddenly, a woman burst through the door, tall, poised, clearly panicked. Her designer blazer was wrinkled, and her phone fell from her trembling hand as she spotted the twins. "Ethan! Evan!" she cried, rushing over. She knelt, hugging them tightly. Tears mixed with her mascara. The entire cafe fell silent, watching the scene unfold. But then something strange happened. As the mother pulled back and tried to talk to them, the twins' hands moved rapidly again, trying to sign something. Her face crumpled, she didn't understand. She looked around helplessly, mouthing, "Does anyone know sign language?" No one answered. Heads turned away. Eyes dropped to phones. That's when the bikers stood up. Bear walked over first, towering and broad, his leather vest creaking. They signed back rapidly, excited, grateful. Bear chuckled, replying with practiced hands, while his friends watched in awe. The mother, stunned, covered her mouth. You know sign language?" she asked softly. Bear nodded, still watching the boys. "Yeah. My daughter's deaf. Learned a long time ago so I could talk to my little girl." One of the twins tugged on his sleeve, signing thank you. Bear translated for the mother. "They're saying thank you for noticing them. They thought nobody would." The mother blinked away tears. "They're not used to being ignored," she whispered. "I'm the CEO of a tech company, people usually rush to talk to us. But when they realize the boys are deaf," her voice cracked. "It's like they disappear." Bear glanced up at her. "Not today, ma'am. Not while we're around." The rest of the bikers joined in, one showing the boys his helmet, another letting them sit on his bike. The cafe, once indifferent, now watched as laughter, silent but unmistakable, filled the air. Phones came out again, but this time not for ignoring. People were recording, smiling, signing hello clumsily, trying to join in. Even the barista stepped forward, signing a wobbly thank you. The CEO looked around, realizing something profound. For years, she had been building technology to connect people. But here, in a small cafe filled with grease-stained jackets and roaring hearts, connection was happening in its purest form, no screens, no devices, just kindness. Before leaving, Bear placed his massive hand on her shoulder. "You've got good boys. Don't ever let this world make them feel invisible." She nodded, speechless. As the bikers roared away on their motorcycles, the twins waved eagerly, their small hands moving in the wind, signing friends. The cafe crowd clapped, and for the first time that morning, the noise didn't feel loud, it felt alive. Later that day, the CEO posted a video from the cafe with a caption that read, "Today, 4 bikers reminded me what